Hi everyone, in front of me I've got XIAOMI Leica, and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. Currently we are in the standard photo mode. The mode doesn't really matter because we will open general settings. As you can see here, we've got grid lines. I've applied them before I've started recording because I'd like to show you a visual evidence that the reset option will work. So basically the lines should disappear after resetting. So now all we have to do is to open more options. So swipe your finger from the top to the center, just like that, and then go to the settings. Simply tap on them. Then go to General and scroll all the way down. Now we have to tap on Other Settings, and at the very bottom we've got the option we're looking for, so Restore Default Settings. Just tap on it and tap on OK. As you can see, the settings flashed a little bit, so now we can go back to the camera and check, and as you can see the grid lines are not visible, which means that we just successfully reset all camera preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.